Last time, we discussed why your cobot control backbone must be EtherCAT, but that's only half of the story. Welcome back to key criteria for choosing a welding cobot. Today we tackle the second critical link, communication between the welder machine and the robot itself. Many systems in the market still rely on basic I/O port or analog communication. This method is imprecise. Setting voltage and wire feed through analog signals introduces errors, leading to inconsistent parameters and poor weld quality from the very start. So, what's the solution? The answer is digital communication, specifically CANopen. CANopen provides a digital handshake between your robot and the welder machine. It ensures welding parameters are set with pinpoint accuracy and repeatability. This digital foundation isn't just about precision. It's what unlocks the essential advanced advantages like standard arc tracking and wire touch sensing. Just as EtherCAT stabilized the robot's motion, CANopen stabilized the welding process. For a truly reliable and capable welding cobot, your foundation needs both high-speed EtherCAT for motion and the digital CANopen communication for welding. In our next videos, we'll look at another two aspects: the X move range and the max speed competes in the pictures. Let's be in time. I'm Roy. Thanks very much.